Hi everyone, Safety Sam here. Before you enter an active construction area, there is one rule that must never be ignored. Full required personal protective equipment must be worn before proceeding beyond the designated PPE control point. Construction hazards can include falling objects, sharp materials, moving equipment, flying particles, vehicle movement, and uneven surfaces. PPE is an important final layer of protection when hazards cannot be completely eliminated through engineering, administrative, or other controls. It supports the hierarchy of controls. It never replaces hazard elimination or effective operational controls. Wear suitable safety footwear for the hazards identified. Protective shoes can help guard against falling or rolling objects, sharp objects that may penetrate the sole, crushing hazards, and slips or trips when the footwear is appropriate for the surface and task. Wear an approved hard hat where falling objects, overhead hazards, or impact hazards are present. Inspect the shell and suspension before use, wear it correctly, and replace damaged equipment. A hard hat only protects you when it is fitted and maintained properly. High visibility clothing helps plant and vehicle operators detect workers sooner. Keep it clean, fastened, and visible around mobile plant, construction vehicles, lifting operations, and congested work areas. Visibility supports safer separation, but it does not replace traffic controls or exclusion zones. Wear suitable eye protection against flying particles, dust, fragments, construction debris, and splash hazards identified by the assessment. Choose the correct protection for the task. Standard safety glasses may not provide adequate protection where sealed goggles or a face shield are required. Before crossing the PPE control point, stop and check yourself. Safety shoes, hard hat, high visibility vest, and safety glasses must all be correctly worn. Remember, basic PPE is only the starting point. Your task, work area, and risk assessment may require additional protection. That could include gloves, hearing protection, respiratory protection, face shields, or fall protection. Follow the hazard assessment and use equipment selected for the actual exposure. Never walk past a PPE control point unless you are properly protected. PPE takes seconds to put on, but those few seconds could prevent a life-changing injury. This is Safety Sam. Work safe and go home safe. This episode uses OSHA construction PPE requirements and ISO 45001 principles as its safety reference framework. Always apply the hazard assessment and the requirements that govern your workplace.